Hello friends, we have added two other professional workflow. One of them is for furniture staging, and you can see that it can work in 50 megapixel and capturing all small details and perfectly stage and relate the product while keeping the detail. Another one is specially designed for objects like watch. Let me show you the compare. Okay, and also it's able to retouch and also fix the scratch, as you can see, and also keep the consistency and materials. So if you go to the wizdev.com, you can see the FlowGen, sign in, go to the workflows, select the product tab, and here you can find these two new workflow. Okay, let me show you. Let me click on edit here and edit for here. If you click on use template, you can find the template and find the setting. After that, you can drag your product. So in this workflow, you are free to move the object inside the Canva. Okay, and for example, if you define a new position for the object, for example here, or let me move it a bit here, you can write your prompt or upload another reference and click on generate. And also it's so for the furniture, so you can move the furniture in the Canva. Also you can change the aspect ratio. So let me show you, for example, this one. Okay, and if you place the sofa here and upload some reference and writing your prompt, you can click on generate. So it will prepare and go to the server for processing. I told you it will take about 4 minutes up to 7 minutes because these are very high resolution images. Yep, it's all. So if you like, you can sign up in the system. And I want to tell you that we have built a FlowGen. It's a proof of concept that we are able to convert any AI, Comfy UI AI workflow into the web app for your organization, for your business. So you can, if you like, send me a message. I can charge your account for testing that how these workflows are working. See you soon.